Well, today we're going to get the new Performance Carbon Parts PP1 carbon fiber wing installed on the red S650. This car has the low slung wing. This isn't a factory delete spoiler. If you do have a factory delete spoiler, it's going to require some drilling. But if you've got a performance package spoiler, the low slung spoiler, the dark horse spoiler, this wing bolt right up. All right, so get these out of the way to reveal the 10 mil bolts that bolt the wing to the module. So we've got the spoiler, and then we've got the spoiler module, and then you actually have the metal deck lid. This is actually just a plastic trim piece that bolts to the deck lid. So if you do have a spoiler delete, if you don't want to drill into that, if you don't want to drill into this plastic trim piece, you can buy a factory module that already has the holes in it for these 10 mils that bolt to the wing.
So this is the module.
This is the trunk lid spoiler module.
It's like an intermediate piece between your spoiler
Yep.
and your trunk.
Yep. So now these wings are bolted on, and they have 3M tape securing them to the deck lid module. But we're just going to get these two 10 mils out of the way. All right, after some patience, just take your time with it, work the floss or however you choose to remove it. You've got these studs that are going to be in the way, so if you are using the floss, you'll have to, pull the wing up and get the floss through and continue down the line. We just used our, He-Man strength, and as long as you've got a second hand, so if you have a second person with you, this will be drastically easier. But if you have somebody apply pressure on the trunk module, you can literally peel this thing up, heat it with some heat gun, or let it sit out in the sun for a little bit, and that'll help a lot too. But so this is the factory spoiler. As you can see, it's only got the two mounting points, the two 10 millimeter bolts. The rest is these two clips and these three alignment dowels. Now, to prevent you having to drill into this trunk module, what we've done with the carbon wing, is we've used the 10 millimeter mounting points that are OEM right here, and then we've installed two mounting points down here to replace the studs, the alignment studs right there. 2 points that require no additional drilling that you can mount if you so choose. The only holes you're going to have to drill is these upper two right here, because there is nothing in this area on the wing. But in the center, again, same thing. We use the mounting stud, the alignment stud. We converted that into a bolt. There is a threaded nut on the back side of each one of these. So if you choose to use those, we highly recommend you use this center one, obviously the two 10 mils right here, and then these two, the OEM manufacturer recommends that you use these. If you choose to, that is up to you, but if you do not use these, then no drilling is required if you have a low slung spoiler or the performance pack spoiler. So ease of installation is definitely something we prioritize with this modification. Get it mocked up on the car. Bam. Look at that. Flush with the fenders. Nice as if it came from the factory like that. Wow. They did a fantastic job with this. All right, let's get the rest of this 3M tape cleaned up and off this module so we can secure this. The spoiler module is held on to the trunk lid by 5 10 millimeter nuts in these two cutouts, and one dead center. And then there are 4 7 millimeter bolts on the edge. We've already removed those to speed up the process, so we're just gonna get these last two out. And when you are taking this off, you're gonna have to disconnect the camera from the module. Once you pull it off, there's gonna be a black tray. This is gonna be sitting in here. You're gonna disconnect the camera, pull the harness off, and leave it on the car. Next, this black tray is gonna come out so you can access the mounting points of the spoiler beneath it. It's held on by about 10 T15 bolts, and then the camera as well. You're gonna take that out of its socket, remove that, and then that is gonna give you access to the mounting points for the spoiler. So the OEM module has these cutouts for the 10 millimeters, cutouts for the pins here and here. We're replacing those with bolts. So if you don't do any drilling, you're gonna have 5 points bolted to the car. Now, we've added we've added 2 additional bolted mounting points right here. We've got recessed nuts in these locations. You just thread the bolt through, so if you don't want to use it, you don't need to, but the recommendation is you use those additional mounting points. So you will have to drill right about in this area, if that makes sense. So here's the 10 millimeter, it's going to go through here. Here's this bolt, right through where that stud used to be. Again, in the middle, where that stud used to be. Boom, boom, and then same on the other side. So we're going to test fit this without using the additional mounting points. We're not going to use the 3M tape because this wing is actually going to the first customer that donated their wing to get us this far. So we don't want to use the 3M tape at this point, but we're going to get it mounted and bolted to the car and show you guys what it looks like. So reassembly, basically, we're going to go backwards. We're going to take the spoiler module and get it bolted to the wing itself. Just line up the 10 millimeter pockets, and then the studs. Your wing is going to come with a package of hardware, so we're just going to get the exposed bolts threaded on. That one's going to be a little challenging. We got the spoiler mounted to the module with 3 of the 5 points at this moment, because you can only access these points with this tray removed. Now, the additional 2 mounting points that we spoke about earlier that require drilling, based on our initial fitment, it doesn't look like you're going to need those. However, the manufacturer still recommends that you utilize all provided mounting points. So we'd have the 3 bolts installed in the factory provided stud cutouts, and then once we get this bolted to the trunk, we'll be using 2 more mounting points right here, so you'll have 5. So now we're ready to get the spoiler module trim piece back in. Get this seated, camera mounted. You get a T15. You get a T15. You get a T15. It's just a trim piece. Oh boy, we are ready to put the module and the spoiler on the car, mounted for the very first time. Oh boy. Make way, make way. We secure our harness. All right. Get our studs aligned and literally push it into place. Bam. And there it is. Fitment confirmed. All right, let's finish the job.
So, fitment looks good?
Fitment looks fantastic. We just got to make sure these line up. And with those 10 millimeter bolts secured, the wing is now securely fastened to the trunk module and the trunk. Now we need to finish tightening the trim up with all these 10 millimeter nuts. It's all reverse of the removal, all using all the original factory OEM hardware. And other than the trunk trim, we're done. Look at that. That ain't going nowhere.
God, did you just pull up on the wing?
I did.
God.
That's on there. Yeah. That's on there. Wow.
Woo, she looks good, dude.
Oh man, how's that angle? Ooh.
Literally perfect.
Ah.
Dang.
It fits great. All right, fitment confirmed. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that is going to confirm the test fitment of the prototype S650 Mustang Performance Pack full carbon wing by Performance Carbon Parts. Link in the description below if you want to order this wing. All right, so my initial thoughts of this mod, it went super smooth, super easy to install, and it has completely transformed the look of this car. I mean, we went from, let's face it, this car had no ass before. Now, she looks good. Holy crap. So super happy with it. The fitment is excellent. It lines right up with the body lines. It looks like an OEM piece. The carbon weave is flawless. I mean, what more do you want? So check out the link below and get yours pre-ordered.